Let me guess what your customer persona looks like. Her name is Marketing Mary. Marketing Mary is 35 years old. She loves coffee. She does yoga on weekends. And her biggest pain point is wanting to save some time. Am I close? I'm probably close because that is exactly how generic AI spit out customer avatars or personas. This is the Stereotype Trap. So when you ask a standard AI to create a customer persona, it doesn't look at your business. It looks at the average of the internet. It's going to give you that cliche, not a customer. And if you're going to build your marketing strategy around that definition of Marketing Mary, you're going to write boring copy for boring people. Now to fix this, we need to stop treating AI as a creative writer and start treating it as a data forensic scientist. You don't ask AI who your customer is. You feed AI your data and you force it to tell you what it finds. At Sandbox, we built a bot called Quinn as our AI customer researcher. But Quinn is useless without two massive injections of ground truth that you need to build into your own workflow. The first injection is the instruction set. Now in Quinn's case, there's about 650 lines of custom code or instructions that forces the AI to ignore its creative training. We upload knowledge documents containing frameworks like jobs to be done or value proposition design. But most importantly, we hard code a rule called the source material constraint. It basically says you're forbidden from hallucinating traits. You may only build this persona based on the transcripts, the CRM notes, and reviews I have just uploaded. If it's not in the data, do not write it. This is going to change the game because instead of guessing that your customer likes coffee, the AI analyzes the 50 support tickets and realizes your customer hates complex login screens. The second injection is the brand blueprint, specifically psychographics and anti-persona sections. Things like fears and beliefs are where the money is. So let's look at a hypothetical example. Apex Gear. They sell ultralight hiking boots for $500. If we ask generic AI to build a persona for Apex, we get Hiking Harry. Hiking Harry loves nature. He wants durable boots for his weekend walks. He values comfort. This is useless. Everybody wants comfort. Now let's look at Quinn. We feed Quinn 500 Reddit comments from a thread and your brand blueprint. The blueprint says our audience is obsessed with weight savings. So Quinn's going to ignore Hiking Harry and build ounce counter Owen. Owen doesn't care about comfort in the traditional sense. He wants and cares that these boots are 12 grams lighter than the competitor. He cuts the handles off his toothbrush to save weight, for God's sakes. He's terrified of heel slippage on mile 20. He doesn't want durable, he wants fast. So do you see the difference? Hiking Harry is like the stock photo version of art, whereas ounce counter Owen is a real human. The generic AI tried to be creative, but the trained AI acted as a mirror on the data we gave it. So don't settle for stereotypes. Gather your data, build your instructions, and meet your actual customer before you write to them. I'm Sandeep, and this is Brains, Bots, and Business. We'll catch you on the next one.